are the modified rights. Okay, if you can all see on the screen, the right of opt-out now also includes the right to opt out of sharing, right? So this opting out provision was only given if the personal information had to be sold to a third party, but now it is also given if I don't want my personal information to be shared with a third party, right? Then right to delete now requires the businesses to notify the third parties to whom they have sold or shared the personal information to also delete the consumer's personal information, right? So now the scope of right to erasure has been expanded. What it means that if my information, if I'm asking Facebook to make sure that my entire information is deleted from its records, Facebook will also ask all of the third parties it has sold or shared my information to, will ask all these third parties to also remove my information from their websites as well, right? Then right to know states that under the CPRA, a consumer will be able to request that the business disclose the information beyond the 12-month period, and that the business shall be required to provide such information unless doing so proves impossible. Basically, it means that I as a customer have the right to ask for my information or to disclose my information beyond the 1 year time period, unless the business comes back and tells me that doing so would be really impossible or would also amount to breach for them, right? Basically, after termination or after I exit from the website, after the period of 12 years, I can also ask for disclosure of my information from the website, right? These are the rights which are already given under the GDPR, which now they have again incorporated as per the state laws. The right to correct inaccurate information. If I have given a right, if I have given some personal information about myself, I also have the right to correct it. Or if the website itself has incorrect personal information on me, then I also have the right to request them to correct that piece of information. Then the right to limit the use of sensitive personal information. Guys, there is a so personal information is your name, okay, is your address, okay, is your office name, is your IP address for that matter. Sensitive personal information is any information that can identify you personally and is sensitive to your privacy in order to protect your identity so that there is no identity theft, right? For example, your card information, right? Your residential address, your PAN, your Aadhaar, your social security number, your passport number, right? So these are all sensitive personal information. This sensitive personal information ambit has also been newly introduced under the CPRA, right? So by the advent of the same, they have also given a right to the existing users that you now also have the right to limit the use of your sensitive information, right? Then right to access information about automated decision making. Automated decision making basically are the technologies that automatically store your information. Can somebody give me the examples? We have already discussed them just a few messages up. What are the automated technologies that automatically store and collect your personal information? We know them very, very commonly as like food items. Cookies, yes. And we have another of these technologies. Yes, guys, one is cookies. They are called web beacons. Okay, they are called web beacons. And these are the automated technologies that I as a user have the right to know about and also opt out of the same, right? So I can opt out, out of saying that no automatic technology is going to automatically store my information unless I expressly consent to the same, right? So that is the option or the right to opt out of such an automated decision making, right? Any questions so far, guys?